Okay, here we're looking at a Google image map of the White House. This is from the angle that you see when you visit. This is Pennsylvania Avenue, and we're swinging around now. This part right here is the East Wing. This is the part right here that they have torn out already. We'll zoom in here. You could see the columns right there in front. They've torn off that whole front facade. Just give you a reference to where we are here, and we'll spin it around. That's the view looking at the White House with the Washington Monument in the background. And we'll drop a pin and show you what it looks like from the street view. These are the people that have come to visit the White House. And this is the view that you see from the street. And that's about it.